Guys, it's Rami Credit Coach with another weekly tip, and this week I want to talk about I am getting married soon. Will my bad credit affect my significant others? The answer is no. Your bad credit is not going to affect whomever you're getting married because you each have your own individual credit reports. Now, you get married, you might buy a home together, you have outstanding debt. Now that debt can affect both of you. Here's how. If you have a debt that you got before you were married, but now that debt, maybe you were sued for that debt, you guys own an asset, you guys own a piece of property. That company that sues you can possibly put a lien on that property. Now that might affect both of you, but it's not gonna affect your significant other's credit reports. Nothing on your credit report that you open on your own is gonna affect your soon-to-be husband, soon-to-be wife. You each have your own credit reports. You each have your own social security numbers. But the question was, I am getting married and I have bad credit. Will my bad credit affect my husband? The answer is no. But while being married, any debt you acquire, whether it's together or whether it's separate, in California, it's a community property state. What yours is mine and what's mine is yours. So be very, very careful when you guys join forces, get married. Be very, very careful with debt. Treat it with respect. When you respect debt, guess what? It's gonna respect you back. See you guys soon.